Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Megan Harris and I am delighted that you have chosen to pop in and come and check out one of my videos. I have enjoyed each and every one of these drinks I'm about to recommend to you, and yes, I do have a favorite one. I wonder if you could guess it. If so, just pop it in the comments below and let me see if you know which is my favorite drink. So when used alongside healthy lifestyle changes, there are certain beverages that can certainly help us and aid our bodies into losing weight. And that's exactly what we want. Beverages like green tea, adding chia seeds, have definitely been shown to speed up our metabolism, boost our effectiveness to lose weight, make us feel fuller for longer, and also curb our cravings for more food. So these are going to be some of the drinks I mentioned in today. And so the 8 drinks I have chosen for you will have a combination of those kind of style of things. So the first one is green tea. Now green tea has 2 major ingredients. It has antioxidants and it has caffeine. Now both of those play a vital role in helping us to lose weight. First of all, the caffeine we all know is a stimulant, and that can help boost our metabolism and also help us while we're performing and give us more energy while we're doing exercise, which ultimately leads us to burn more fat and lose more weight. And then the antioxidants just help us all in general and also speeds up our metabolism. The other part of green tea, because this is just general green tea, there's also matcha green tea. Now matcha green tea is a type of green tea, but it has a higher amount of something called catechins, and that is found only in matcha, and it's higher because it comes in a powdered format as opposed to the green leaf format of green tea. And this is obviously way more beneficial for you for weight loss. Then we have the trusted old honey and cinnamon water. Now this is ideal to make first thing in the morning and have on an empty stomach. So you simply use the Ceylon version of cinnamon, please, no other version. Make sure it's organic. And you can use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in some warm water and add some honey and drink that in the morning, and that will not only boost your metabolism, but it will also lower your blood sugar levels, which will help you to ultimately lose weight. Then we come to the very wonderful coconut water, and who doesn't love coconut water? It comes with an array of electrolytes, which is great if you've been working out or sweating. It replenishes those which we definitely need, otherwise you start to cramp. And then of course it comes with vitamins as well and some other enzymes, all of which our bodies need and all play a vital role in helping us lose weight. It also is great to drink on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. And the other benefit of coconut water is it's not very high in sugar content, so that's a great one. And it boosts our metabolism again and helps us lose weight. The next one is to chop fresh ginger, organic ginger, and make that into a tea just by soaking it in for 5 minutes in some hot water. And that will definitely boost your metabolism and help you lose weight. It also comes packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, and again will help you to feel fuller for longer. So those are the drinks I would recommend for you. They're fun to make. Some are simple. You can just make them in 5 minutes or less. Some you can go and buy, and others you can just make in your water bottle, which just means measure the ingredients and there you are, it's all done. So I hope you enjoy this variation. Let me know how your weight loss is going, and I would love to hear which is your favorite drink.